How to change the Messenger font style on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get a different font on Messenger, since there is no built-in option inside the app itself. First, open the Messenger app and tap the menu at the bottom right corner. After that, tap Settings at the top and have a look around. You'll notice there is no font style option anywhere inside Messenger. From there, the only way to change it is through your system settings, so go ahead and head back to your home screen. At this point, open the Settings app on your Android device. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Display to open the display settings. Following this, tap on Font Size and Style to open the font options. Once done, tap on Font Style and you'll see a list of available fonts to choose from. From here, tap on any font you like and give it a moment to load, as it may take a few seconds to apply across the whole system. Finally, once the new font is active, go back to your home screen and open Messenger. You'll notice the font has changed throughout the entire app, just like everywhere else on your device. And that's it! If this guide helped you change the font style on Messenger on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.